All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here, and I want to share with you an opportunity that has come back on the scene. I did very well with this. It's called Club Cash Fund. That's right, Club Cash Fund, or CCF, Club Cash Fund. Now, I want you to listen to a little short overview. With this particular program, you get a free starter kit sent to you. And when you get started, a free starter kit will be sent out to the people on your behalf. Okay, I placed a few ads on YouTube, and man, I mean, the marketing system that this have will have people going to your site, and what you do is you'll be able to show them how they can fill their name, fill their address out, put their email in, and have a kit sent to them. Now, the thing is, people, you can't put a fake email address in it because the system will verify that email. So this is guaranteed to have that kit delivered on your behalf. And if you listen, on your behalf, okay? So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because you have a system working for you. What I want you to do is listen to this little short overview, okay? And we'll come back and talk about what you need to do to get started, okay? So you have a great day. Take a quick listen.
So you're looking for a way to make some extra money without having to be some kind of computer genius or marketing expert, without having to sell anything to anyone. It's the same thing that I wanted when I was starting out, and it's why you decided to watch this video. My name's Chad, and I've been making money online since about 2002. Now that's a lot of years of surviving scams, schemes, and rip-offs that seem to be everywhere we look these days. I say survive because, like everyone, I fall short of scammy offers and false promises too. But instead of giving up on my dream, I turned every one of those failures into a learning experience. I never lost sight of the life that I knew was out there waiting for me when people don't tell me what to do and when to do things, where I don't answer to anyone but the ones that I love, and where I don't have to check my bank account before telling the kids if we go to a movie. And I'm not claiming to be a know-it-all, because I'm not. What I'm really, really good at is knowing what doesn't work. And this new method I found works. I didn't invent it, but I've tested, tweaked, and developed it into a simple, fast, and fun way to make money. So this wasn't created by accident. It didn't come to me in a dream. I didn't hit rock bottom and magically discover this out of desperation. But plain and simple, I'm a regular guy. I'm a hard worker. I can follow directions, and I'm driven to succeed. And it turns out that's all I needed to make the extra money I needed. Online, offline, it doesn't matter. The formula for winning is always the same. You don't need crazy computer skills or some expensive college degree. I didn't even graduate high school, if you can imagine that. Yeah, I honestly can't believe it sometimes either, but it's true. This is super simple. The only person that can complicate it is you. But if you follow my directions, you will. So here's how you can start receiving hundreds of dollars per day in as little as 2 weeks from now. Step 1, enter your mailing address so I can send you a getting started kit in the mail. Your kit will contain all the instructions needed to get started. Now, anyone can do this. It's simple. It's extremely lucrative. It can flood your mailbox with $100 bills like clockwork. So fill out the form below, and I'll rush you your quick start kit today.